Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, we are going to look at my realistic long-term price prediction for the DENT token. Okay guys, so if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right guys? And also, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs and day trading and all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis, so you might as well go ahead and give me a follow, you guys, because I'm only going to continue to grow for the long term, you guys. So for those of you who are new to the channel and this is the first video you've ever seen from me, I'm a long-term altcoin holder and I've been holding onto various altcoins for about 5 years now. I have no reason to sell. I'm not hard up for money. I don't need money for anything, so I've no reason to sell whatsoever. So might as well hold on for the long term, right? And I continue to add on to my positions as more and more as as more capital is available. And usually when I buy into new positions for the long term, I usually like to start with a $10,000 position if the capital is available. So normally, you guys, I don't use technical analysis either. I do things a little differently, but I'm not in the red on any of my long-term positions, and I've been doing pretty great for the long term here, so I must be doing something right, you guys. And when I'm talking holding on for the long term here, you guys, I'm not talking holding on for 6 to 12 months. I'm talking about 3 years, maybe 5 years, maybe 7 years. I do things based on market cap, so I hold on until I don't hold my coins until they reach a certain price point. I hold on to my coins until they reach a certain market cap level, okay? And that's the way I do things, and I've been doing great ever since I started doing it. So, but yeah, so we're going to see where the price could be for DENT in the long term, you guys, and see where it could potentially go. So currently, guys, DENT is currently ranked number 180 on CoinMarketCap, and it's a very popular project. It's been around for a very, very long time. As we can see here, you guys, it's been around since, August of 2017 at least. And it really took off. I mean, I don't know if you can really count it into the long-term price prediction because I don't know if it'll actually reach this price point again. Back when Bitcoin had its very first very huge bull run back in, early 2018, late 2017, DENT really took off back then, and it went to over 10 cents. It went to 11 cents actually. And as you can see right now, guys, where the price currently is, it's less than a penny. So that would be a huge return on your investment if it reached that price point again. So we're going to see if it could potentially go that, get to that price point again in the future. But it's currently, you guys, it's got a market cap of 231 million and a current circulating supply of, well, pretty much all of it, 99 billion. We're just going to call it 100 billion, okay? It's just, for simplicity's sake, you guys. And as far as volume goes, hey, look at that kind of volume. It's got $54.9 million flowing through it on a daily basis. It's a lot of money. So it's clearly a project that is definitely very popular here, you guys. So let's see what a good potential return on your investment would be, or what the project, what a good price point could be in the long term here. So obviously, let's see what the market cap was back when it went up that high. Back when it went up this high. So let's see here. Actually, what we're going to do here real quick is we're going to take a look at the snapshot real quick. I want to go back to January 9th of 2018 and see what the market cap levels were back then. So roughly January 7th, whatever. And we're going to go ahead and do this by market cap and see where, let's see here. Let's see where DENT was back then. So we will filter this by market cap, and let's see where DENT was. I believe right here, DENT. So back then, you guys, holy smokes, 1,000 million. Okay, so back then, when DENT was 6 cents, back like right around here-ish, somewhere, something like that. Obviously not the all-time high. I can't get a snapshot of that exact day, but right here, back when it was 6 cents or whatever, it was clearly had a market cap of $726 million. So clearly, you guys, this project definitely did reach over a $1 billion market cap at some point in time, especially when it reached over 10 cents. So let's see what it actually was, because back then, you guys, Bitcoin also hit a market cap of $276 billion, okay? So clearly, when more money flowed into the market, the price of DENT and the market cap of DENT also took a skyrocket because more and more people put their money into DENT as well. So let's see this real quick. let's see what the potential market cap was back then. Let's see here. So we'll go 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 100 billion. And we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 0.1, whoops, times 0.11, which was the all-time high, 0.11. And let's see what we get. So guys, we have got a market cap of roughly 1,000 million billion, $11 billion, okay? That doesn't seem right to me. So clearly at that point in time, the circulating supply was not where it's at right now. It couldn't have been. It definitely couldn't have been, because if it was, then the market cap would have been $11 billion, and it wasn't, because as we can see, when it was at 6 cents, the market cap was at less than $1 billion. So that couldn't have been right. But we can figure out where the price could potentially go based off of where the numbers are at right now at this point in time, you guys. So obviously the circulating supply right now is, you know, right around 99 billion or, you know, 100 billion. So we can figure this out easily. So we'll take 100 billion. And me personally, you guys, I don't feel like the price can go that high again. I really don't. This project has been stagnating for a while. It hasn't really made any strides, at least not in the overall general broad market. It's got its own niche of holders, and it's got its own people who are, you know, holding the token and, you know, project development, stuff like that. As we can see here, you guys, there's 76,500 holders right now at the time of me filming this. But I personally don't think it can go this high again. But we're going to see where it could potentially go. Because me personally, you guys, I just don't feel like this project, I mean, we're at $230 million market cap right now. I truly believe that this project will not go any higher, will not go any higher than like maybe a $2.5 billion market cap at some point in time. And that's just realistically being realist, you know, realistically speaking here, you guys, which honestly, we can all figure out what the price would be at that time if it were to, you know, go there. So, you know, 100 billion, 100 billion tokens for the circulating supply. If we go ahead and multiply that by, you know, obviously, you know, 2.5 cents, you know, that's going to come out to where I think the $2.5 billion market cap would be. So realistically, you guys, my long-term price prediction for this one is going to be, you know, 2.5 cents. And that's just me being brutally honest, you guys, because, I mean, this project really hasn't made very many strides. I mean, in this most recent bull run, it really didn't do much at all. I mean, realistically, it really didn't. I mean, back in April of 2021, the highest it got was, geez, a little over a penny, and that's it. So we're going to see what your potential ROI would be if it were to go up to 0.025 as of right now, you guys. And I'm not saying that it can't go higher than this. I mean, obviously, guys, it can go higher than this. I'm just being a conservative, and I like to be a realist about this stuff since we're dealing with real money here. And I'm not one of those types of people who's all about hype. So if you're looking for a hype type answer, or if you're looking for somebody to be like, DENT is going to go to $1 or something like that, my videos aren't going to be for you. You need to start watching somebody else like the Moon Carl or BitBoy or somebody, because that's not me. I'm a realistic type of person here. So guys, let's see what a ROI would be if it went to that price point. So if you were to buy in right now, so you got $10,000 and you buy in right now at 0.002, you're going to come out with 5 million tokens, okay? So you got 5 million tokens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 5 million tokens. We're going to multiply that by 0.025. And we're going to come out with $125,000, you guys. So realistically, you guys, that's a $115,000 return on your investment for holding on long term. And to be honest with you guys, actually, that's a lot higher return on an investment than I thought I was going to come out with. And this is me being conservative, you guys. This is if it goes up to, you know, 2.5 cents, which isn't very far from where it's at right now, to be honest with you. So, I mean, if it can reach that high again, if it can reach, you know, 2.5 cents, you're going to make some pretty solid profits, honestly. This just turned my whole view on the price of DENT upside down, honestly, because I think this is a good long-term investment now, honestly. I'm personally interested now. Because, yeah, I mean, that's a $115,000 return on your investment for holding on to it long term. And if it does reach that level, I mean, like I said, that's a very solid return on your investment, guys. So overall, for the sake of this video, you guys, my long-term price prediction for DENT is going to be 0.025. So pretty much realistically 2.5 cents. But guys, that pretty much does it for this video though. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And with that said, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.